Ready, go. All right, how fast can we get this done? I say pretty damn fast. Ready. It's always harder because we have to do the 2 steps. Given, right? Next step. Which one am I going to make opposite? Well, obviously 8 and 16 is a lot easier to make opposite than 3 and 4, right? So, if I want to make 8 the opposite of 16, I have to make it negative 16. So what times 8 is negative 16? Negative 2. Right? Negative 2. So I'm going to take this whole thing, multiply by negative 2. And I get negative 8x minus 16y equals negative 24. Right? And that is dm. OPP. Okay? Now, I'm going to write this underneath it just so I don't get confused. So 3x plus 16y equals negative 9, and that is given, right? And then what am I going to do? Linear combination, right? Add these 2 up. These cancel. All right, so negative 8 and negative 3 is negative 11. Negative 24 and negative 9 is negative 33, right? And that is just definition of linear combo, right? Then what? Divide?
Yeah.
By negative 11. That's dm again, OPP. And I get x is equal to 3. Boom. Plug it in. Grab one. I don't care which one. Let's go with the top one. So negative 3 times this 3, right? Plus 16y equals negative 9. Okay? Now, what is that? That's substitution, right? Okay. Then what? Negative 3 times 3, negative 9, plus 16y equals negative 9. Okay? What do? Oh, what was that? That was PIMDOS, right? So PIMDOS is AS. Oh no, not AS, I didn't add them, I multiplied, right?
MD.
So MD, there we go. Alright, next. I'm going to add 9 to both sides. So I get 16y equals 0. Okay, what did I do? I added to both sides, so SA, right? OPP. Then I'm going to divide DM, OPP, by 16. And I can divide 0 by 16, I get 0, right? Okay, so I'm left with, let's do it in black. X, the intersection for X is 3 and Y is 0. And that is definition of systems of equation. Boom. That's our answer. Is that correct? Good. Moving on up. Next. Okay, what am I going to make opposite? 3 to 9 or 3 to 10? 3 to 9, yeah. What times 3 is 9? Oops. 3. But I want to make it opposite of 9.
Negative 3.
So negative 3. Okay? So negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 3 is negative 9. And negative 3, wow, that's a big number. 3 times, so it's going to be negative, right? 3 times 20 is 60. And 3 times 7 is 21. 60 and 21. There you go. Okay? And then, so that was, remember, the given, and then in purple, we did DM, right? Okay? And then we did given, and then we're going to do given again, right? We're going to rewrite that 9x minus 10y equals 5. And then add them up. These cancel. What do I get? I get negative 19y equals, well, what's negative 81 plus 5? So it's actually taking it
76.
away, right?
Negative 76.
76. Negative. Good job. Okay? So that's definition of linear combo, right? Alright, then what? Divide by 19, or negative 19, right? And we pray that 19 goes into 76. What's that, 4 times? What is that? Y? Should be 4 times. What's 4 times 20? 80, right? But it's 1 away, so 4 away from 80 is 76. So there we go. So Y is 4, right? And that's dm. Then we're going to substitute it in, right? Okay, so substitution. Which one do you want to use? 3 and 3 or 9 and 10? 3's? Okay, so 3 times x and plus 3 times y is a 4 equals 27. Right? And that's substitution. Okay? Then what's 3 times 4? 12, right?
Yeah.
And that's PIMDOS, right? But MD in this case. Okay? And then we're gonna subtract 12. Subtract 12, right? And so that is SA, opposite. Okay, and then that'll be 3x is equal to what's 12 from 27? That'd be 5 and 15, so 15. And we're going to divide by 3. We get x equal to 5. And that is division, multiplication, opposite, dm. Okay? And then our last thing is x, the intersection at x, which is 5, and y, which is 4. And there it is. That's how fast we can do this. Definition of systems
Equations.
of equations. Right? Bingo, bango, dango. Questions? Oh yeah, I love you. Let's go. Let's go!